Welcome back to Top Repairs. This topic, I'm going to explain why your engine mount keeps failing. If you replace that engine mount and it did not last longer than 2 years or 20,000 miles, I'm going to explain why it keeps on failing. The first biggest mistake when changing engine mount is only changing one engine mount. So for a typical engine, there's going to be three or four engine mount that's going to support the engine. And if you only change one engine mount and you did not replace all the engine mount, well, guess what? You may have one good engine mount, but that other three, it's already failing already, and it is going to cause excessive vibration, and eventually it is going to cause that brand new engine mount to fail prematurely. The next reason why the engine mount keeps failing is because there is engine oil on it. If there's engine oil or power steering fluid or coolant or transmission fluid or any fluid that happened to land on the engine mount, it is going to cause issue to that rubber, and it will cause issue to it. It will cause that rubber to start to crack, and eventually you're going to notice your engine start to vibrate at idle. The next reason why the engine mount keeps failing is because it's the way you drive. If you like to rev your engine a lot, well, guess what? When you rev your engine, it is going to produce more torque, and it is going to cause that engine to hop more. So the purpose of the engine mount is to absorb vibration and engine torque. So if you constantly rev your engine, it's going to put a lot of stress on the rubber part of the engine mount, and again, it will cause it to fail prematurely. The next reason why your engine mount keeps failing is because maybe you're just buying extremely cheap parts. If you're buying parts from eBay and there's no brand on it and you don't have no idea where it was manufactured, well, guess what? The material that was used, such as the rubber or maybe the metal itself, it might be poor quality. And again, if the quality is poor, the engine mount will not last that long. The next reason why the engine mount keeps failing is because maybe when you installed a brand new engine mount, maybe you did not line up the hole properly. If you installed the engine mount, and let's just say you did not tighten a bolt all the way, or maybe that bolt was installed at a slant or sideways, well, that engine mount is not going to be sitting properly. And if it's not sitting properly or it is not tight, well, guess what? It is going to cause movement when you step on the gas pedal. What if you replace all the engine mount and you have all brand new engine mount, but those engine mounts keep on failing? Well, guess what? If the transmission mount is bad, and let's just say they're all bad, well, it can actually put more stress on the new engine mount because that engine is connected together with the transmission. So make sure to change that transmission mount as well. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.